Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an open and share of a sticker order that I recently purchased. I can't remember which, you know how there's so many of those collaboration sales where a bunch of shops that sell planner stuff get together and they have like a big sale. I see them so often now that I can't keep track of them all. But anyway, that's how I found out about this company. It's called Sticker Geek Designs, I think is the name. If not, of course, I'll have all the information down below for you. But she had 40% off of her entire shop. And I've actually been looking for some really bright, vibrant stickers. And I did find a couple of shops. Sarah Elizabeth Prince is one that I really like that I just found. And then this one. So I just got my order in the mail today, and I wanted to share it with all of you and show you the really pretty gold packaging they've got on here. Now this shop is, I think the owners are based out of in Hawaii, which I thought was kind of cool. For those of you that did not know, I am half Hawaiian, and I graduated high school in Hawaii, and so me and my family go back there quite often, usually for holidays and vacation, and Caden's been there quite a few times, and he really likes it too. So as you can see, I'm kind of struggling with this package here, but here we go. Look how cute. Okay, and I think this is probably my receipt or invoice. But yes, the company is called Sticker Geek Designs, and they do have a shop on Etsy. And here is a look at their cute little I guess logo or sticker. And wow, I don't remember exactly everything I ordered, but this package is quite thick. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now I've been kind of trying to get stickers for the holidays. So oh, cute. Now I just saw this on their Instagram page. For every $10 spent, you earn I guess a BB. When you have 10 BBs, you earn a $15 shop credit. Okay. And then this here says hand-drawn geeky planning fun. That's really cute. That is their business card, in case you're interested. Mahalo, which means thank you in Hawaiian, if you didn't know. And then I think these were the cute little freebies that they had during the sale. And, oh, very nice. So this is very holiday themed. And there is a code on there. I don't know if I can share it or not, but I just did. But yeah, very cute. And then there's this one here. And I think these little samplers are part of the freebies. And you can see already how pretty and how vibrant and detailed the designs are. Okay, so I got Autumn Faye, and then this one is Let's Be Mermaids, and of course I'll go through them all. This one is called Groovy. I really like that. Holiday Cheer, and then a Winter Faye. Look at how beautiful these stickers are. So Now, I can't remember the cost of everything because, like I said, she was having a huge sale. But wow, look at these, you guys. They are so smooth. I think these are the matte vinyl stickers, which are my favorite sticker paper. And I always smell it because I can tell by the smell if it is the matte vinyl sticker paper, and I think it is. So this is the Winter Fae. And these colors are gorgeous. The paper feels really, really smooth. Again, I think it's a matte vinyl. These are the check boxes here. And look at these date covers. Those are so cute and different. This is the washi half boxes. I really love the designs. Now, I think the girls who run this shop, this is their own artwork that they designed themselves. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Much better than I even expected it to be. So that was the Winter Fae. Let's get into Holiday Cheer. Okay, everyone, in the interest of time, I went ahead and opened all the stickers because it was taking a lot longer than I expected it to. But if you hear my dog barking in the background, I apologize. I don't know. Of course, she only wants to bark when I'm filming. But anyways, this next set is called Holiday Cheer. Again, these stickers are so vibrant and so pretty, and I love the paper. It's such a smooth, matte paper. So that's that one, and there you go. Again, this one is called Holiday Cheer. This one is really beautiful. This one is called the Autumn Fae. And look at how pretty this one is. I can't wait to use this. I am really impressed with the color and the vibrancy and the quality of these stickers. They are absolutely beautiful, well worth the price, and I'll definitely buy again. Look at how cute. Then these are the day covers and more boxes and the cute little fairies. Adorable. This next one is Let's Be Mermaids. Ooh, this is really pretty. These stickers are almost too pretty to use, but of course I am going to use them. I love the color of this one. I love this aqua teal color. And you've got, I think these are check boxes here, or checklists. And look at that, how fun. Okay, and then I think the last one is Groovy. And I love this marble psychedelic design. This one's really, really pretty. And that's that one. So that is my sticker order from Sticker Geek Designs. Again, I will leave all of their information down below if you are interested in placing an order. I'm very impressed. This is my first time ever ordering with this particular shop, and I'm in love. Like I said, I'll definitely order again. And I do think the quality and the shipping and everything was just well above my expectations, so I can highly recommend them. And I think that is it. That is it for now. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to throw those down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.